Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making a boxing for some TNA DVDs that I got in the mail. Here we go. First one is One Night Only, TNA One Night Only, Rivals 2017. You got Matt Hardy, Jeff Hardy, Madison Rayne, Moose, Drew McIntyre, Bobby Lashley, Angelina Love. You got the front, the side, the back. Let's open it up, see what the condition is. The front of the disc. Then you got the back of the disc. No scratches. That's that one. Then you got TNA Impact. That one is 2017. This one is one TNA Impact, One Night Only, September 2016. Got Eddie Edwards and Bobby Lashley on the cover. At the front, the side, back. Let's open it up, see what the condition is. Here's the front. Here's the back. No scratches. That's that one. Then this one is TNA Impact Joker's Wild 2016. Here's the front, the side, the back. Let's open it up and see what the condition is. Here's the front. Here's the back, no scratches. And that has been 3 one-night TNA Impact, 3 DVD one-night onlys. One is from 2017 and the other 2 are from 2016. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.